Hello everyone, Joey Riz here coming to you with another video today. I'm here at the Google event as you just saw. We're here to see the Pixel 3, maybe a Slate, but it's just getting started. I just had breakfast, let's go. I like the overalls, guys, this is a great look. They sit down the hall, so I'm just following their directions. Hello.
Hello. They'll be ready to slide. All the variables. They will help you see if we're find the key.
All right, so I found a seat pretty close to the front, a little to the side, but seems like a good spot. Now it's just a waiting game. We have like about a half an hour, but I'll be right back.
We pretty much know everything there is to know about the Pixel 3 as well as the Pixel 3 XL.
We have a very clear image now of this Pixel 3.
We know pretty much everything about it.
No matter how hard you try, you literally can't get anything past the internet.
All right, show is over. Now it's on to the device area. Let's go check them out. All right, here's the room where it all's gonna happen. Let's see what we can find. Let's see what we can find. Ah, basketball court, that's fun. Google Home Max. Oh, and the stands and everything. There it is, that's the Pixel 3 XL. And he's got the Pixel 3 just regular style. Okay, here we are with the Pixel 3 XL. Let's turn on that screen. As you can see, we do have the notch up at the top. This is the large one. As I said, we have USB-C on the bottom, and this is that beautiful sand color, not pink color as they're calling it. Now, this kind of looks to me like the beaches in Bermuda. I was just there, but yeah, it feels pretty good in hand. Like I said, for a larger device, it definitely feels pretty good in hand. Obviously, that notch is just so big. We have the new camera on the back, which has all the new AI features, but it builds upon all the HDR features that the one before gave us. The back of the phone really does feel like kind of matte. It feels non-slippery at all. It's all black, it's all glass. The whole back is glass. That's why we're able to use it with that Pixel stand. But it doesn't feel like glass. It feels warm to the touch, kind of, sort of. I really like it. All right, finally, I was able to grab another unit. This is the smaller Pixel 3 against the larger Pixel 3. Obviously, this is that sandy pink, and this is the black, as I think they're calling it. I'm not sure. Might be some other color name, but you can see the sizing right there. It is quite a bit smaller, but this Pixel 3 is my jam right here. This thing feels so small and so awesome. Let me put it next to the Pixel 2, if I can pull it on out of my pocket, that is. This Pixel 2 versus Pixel 3. Obviously, the Pixel 2 has a skin, but it's really good size. I actually really like the size of this. Check that out. Check out the screen. Look at that. It's skinnier, and it's the same height about, and that screen is just crazy. It looks great. All right, to move on from the phones, now here we have the Pixel Slate and the Pixel Slate Pen. Let's actually pick it up. Obviously, you can see that we have a camera on the front. It's running that new kind of launcher that's very Android-esque to make it easier to use Android apps with it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna flip it around real easy, just so I don't break it. But there we go. Here we have Pixel Slate. It's very, really kind of matte on the back. We have that 8 megapixel camera on the back. We have the Google branding right there. But there we have on the top, we have the power button and the assistant microphones, and the power button does have a fingerprint sensor in it, which is pretty cool. Let's see what we got. We got USB-C on the side. Nothing on this side, and we have that new connector for the keyboard on the bottom. Another thing we have are those dual front-facing speakers, which are supposed to be really pretty loud and make it easy to listen to, you know, content or anything. Now let's check out the pen. It has a little button on the side, which might do something. Nope, doesn't seem to do anything. All right, so both the pen and the keyboard, which I'll show you in a second, and this are on sale right now. Well, actually, no, pre-orders start soon on this one. This is $5.99, this is $99, and the keyboard, which is over there, is $199. Okay, so now I got my hands on the folio cover here. It's a little bit different than just a clamshell. What's great is it has a multi-adjustable display. It has little magnets right in here. It just goes right on the back, and you could slide it into any position you want. So, see here? Any screen position, it works pretty well, actually, I have to say. It's the same keyboard and same mouse as the actual clamshell. Same keys, backlit, full size, and it feels like very, very premium.
Obviously, you can play videos.
All right, and here is the new Google Home Hub. Look all around. It actually is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Really nice screen. They kind of showed it all off at the event, but really excited to play with this guy. All right, the event has come to a close. I have here the Pixel 3 XL in the not pink color. This is not mine, it's a friend of mine's. I'm just using it for the end of this video. I did apply for a reviews unit, so I should get that within the next couple days or so. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up because there's a whole lot of stuff from Google here. It's kind of amazing, and I hopefully will have a closer look at all of it soon. I didn't go empty-handed though. They gave me a whole bag of things to review. And guess what? I'm gonna do one of my own baggings when I get home. But this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. This has been Joey Riz. See you later.